Hi, I'm Dr. Janine, and today I'm making some keto-friendly but also carnivore burgers. These are absolutely delicious. First, we have our ground beef in my bowl, adding some Dijon mustard and some salt and pepper, some shredded cheese, some Worcestershire sauce, and 1 egg. Now blending this up. Now that it's nicely formed into our patties, putting this on the grill. And flipping to the other side. So now that it's nice and cooked, you are ready to plate it. So I'm using some lettuce here for my bun, but certainly if you are not watching your carbs, you can go with any bun that you desire.